Today we will have question and answer session with Mr. Tahir Khan, the founder and the CEO of the TKR. So the first question which has been raised, what made you choose UK or Leeds and Bradford to start your business here?
Well, first of all, thanks to Almighty Allah. This is our first international branch in Bradford, UK. And I'm so privileged to start the first international branch of TKR. And you ask a very interesting question. This is not a small village. This is the border of Leeds and Bradford. And we choose this place very carefully. There's a lot of Pakistani, Indian, Bengali, and especially the local community people are here. And they would love to try our cuisine, the special Shinwari cuisine.
How do we ensure that your food quality remains consistent across all branches?
Well, this is very a tricky question. We send so many chefs from the Bradford to TKR Islamabad, and they are trained there for months. And now they are back, alhamdulillah, and we will 100% sure to give you exactly the same taste what we given you in Islamabad.
Restaurant field is very challenging field. Big competitors. How far can you see your future in the UK?
Well, I never compete with anyone, even in Pakistan. I try to improve myself, my services, my cuisine. So I never compete with anyone. I always compete with myself.
What has been the most rewarding moment in your journey as a restaurant owner?
Well, in our business, people says the customer is always right. I always found very interesting when the customer love our food, ambience, and our cuisine. So I think this is the most rewarding point in our career.
What are your future plans for TKR?
Well, if you ask me this question, so sky is the limits. I never set my boundaries. But inshallah, this is my plan to open TKR restaurant in every city of United Kingdom. And even beyond United Kingdom, Europe, we are coming.
As you're a very busy man, how do you balance your time between managing your restaurants and creating content?
Well, so many ask me this question, and I always give them one answer. I do what I love to do, and I love to make content for my restaurant. I got a very talented and experienced team back home in Pakistan, and I'm so glad that they're led by my brothers and my general manager Nazar Muhammad. So they are looking forward for the operation, and I love to make videos, and that's what I do.
In terms of traffic, how confident are you that the community across the UK from different cities will travel all the way to Bradford to support your first restaurant?
Well, this is a very interesting question. I have this experience. TKR in Islamabad is famous around the globe. People from different cities, they visit TKR Islamabad. From Swat, Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad. And why they visit TKR? Because of the taste. So in UK, no one will get the same taste as we have. We are bringing the Pakistan most famous dum poh to Bradford.
Are you claiming that you're bringing completely unique taste for the people here, which has never been introduced before in the UK?
Absolutely, brother. Every single person from the UK, they visit TKR, they ask me a very simple question. When you are coming to UK and bring dum poh? So here I am in the Bradford, and we are bringing the dum poh of TKR.
Now, the most important question. We've all been waiting for a long time. When are you finally opening your TKR Bradford?
It's opening on 23rd May, Friday, 4 p.m. And I myself with my team, inshallah, will be here. And I'm looking forward to welcome every single person, special the local community. So I'm waiting for you guys.